Today we'll talk about how can you create shots or channels on your Pocket Option app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on shot, just click on it. When you click on shot, it's going to take you to this list. So it's going to show for you like this inverse. Click in this sign here. When you click on it, it's going to show for you like this here to create shot and add here title, then description, then shot reels and referral only, and here picture. Then here, if you want to upload image from here and you click on create, then it's going to create with you shot here on your Pocket Option app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.